Hey guys, it's Ricardo and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. Today we'll be looking at the issue where your smartwatch is not turning on, and these are some generic Chinese smartwatches such as the GT08 or the DZ09 or the U8. As you see here, when I press the power or the home key here on the crown of this watch, you'll notice that it should come on, but it is not coming on. This can happen to a brand new watch out of the box that looks similar, or it can happen to a device that you have had for a while. Now, if you're having this issue, just follow these steps to fix it. The first thing I want to do, guys, to remove the back. It's quite easy. It should snap right off. Just move your hands along the grooves and it should come off. If you remove the battery, as you're seeing here, you'll notice how it is set in place. As soon as it's in place, it makes contact with these pins. Now, what happened with the design of this is that it's flawed, right? So what's happening is, as soon as the back is on, there's not enough pressure, and what I want to do is cut a piece of paper, as you're seeing here. It can be just 3 layers to 4 layers thick, or you can also add a piece of cotton. You're going to put it behind the back glass. I'm just showing you what you're going to do, and you just put it on and basically press down. Now I'm just going to do it for real here. So the first thing I want to do is to slide the battery back in. And what we're trying to do is to make sure that the back and the battery itself is making a flush contact, and there's no room for the battery to basically wiggle around, especially that is on your wrist and it might actually move, right? So by putting the paper in place, it's just gonna prevent any extra movement and allow the battery to make full contact. Sorry, whoops. So basically I'm just going to place it neatly beneath the cover, and I'm just gonna slide the cover on, and I'm going to snap it in totally. And once I do that and snap it on totally, it should now be able to work. And this happens with a number of models of this device. And these watches, you can pick them up for like $20. They're quite cheap, but they seem to have this a similar flaw, right? And there you go, guys. Once the back is on, it will power up. Right, so as you can see, it powered right up as soon as the back is on, and that's because the battery is now making full contact. There's no looseness in the box, so it's not allowed to move around, and it's now working. So guys, if you have a similar device, just try this method and it should get these smartwatch or similar devices like this back up and functioning. Alright guys, it's Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips with another quick tech tip, just helping you to fix another gadget. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you did not, give it a thumbs down. Also, please remember to leave a comment, and please remember to check out the website www.blogtechtips.com. This is Ricardo saying goodbye until next time. Bye.